Hi everyone, today we talk about how to convert normal channel to brand channel. Many channel have his own brand, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So follow my steps I show you now, so let's get started. So at first open your Google Chrome and search YouTube.com and I click it. I have already a brand account, so I show you the methods. So click the right side corner button. There are some few options, but don't click it. If you have a channel so you can't see the option, and if you haven't so you see that. First click it, and I already selected name Cooker Chef, so see my handle is automatic set, so I give her image here. Finally click the create channel icon. And the channel is created, so first click the channel icon in corner, and you see many options there. But in onto the options where settings option, click it. Guys, you see many options. We talk about the other options in another video, so don't click this. Below all the option we see advanced settings option, click it and then click the move channel to a brand account. Give your email and password. Finally our account is branded, so many can do it. So if you want a more informative video, so click the video. Thanks for watching.